Good morning, students. Earlier, we studied about the two organs of the United Nations. That one is General Assembly and the Security Council, United Nations Security Council. So today we are going to study about the other organs of the United Nations, and the third organ of the United Nations is International Court of Justice. So its headquarters is in Hague. The International Court of Justice is based in Hague. It is basically the primary judicial organ of UNO, and it is composed of 15 judges, and they were appointed for a period of 9 years by absolute majority in General Assembly and Security Council. So main function of International Court of Justice is to settle legal disputes submitted to it by member states. It also gave advisory opinions on legal questions submitted to it by duly authorized international organs, agencies, and United Nations General Assembly. So this is the third organ of the United Nations, composed of 15 judges, and these judges were appointed for a period of 9 years, and its main function is to settle legal disputes. The other organ, Economic and Social Council, it is the principal organ to coordinate economic, social, and related work of the 14 United Nations specialized agencies, functional commissions, and 5 regional commissions. So it is the principal organ to coordinate the economic, social, related work of the United Nations specialized agencies. 14 United Nations specialized agencies, functional commissions, and 5 regional commissions. So these are the functional commissions: human rights, narcotic drugs, status of women, sustainable development. There is no need to learn it, but you should know about it, because this year you are going to have 1-mark question. So 1-mark question might come from anywhere. So these are basically the functional commissions of Economic and Social Council, and the regional commissions of Economic and Social Councils: economic commissions in Africa, Europe, Latin America; economic and social commissions in Asia and the Pacific, Western Asia. There is no need to learn it. So the other organ of the United Nations is its Trusteeship Council, but this council was suspended in the year 1994. So 1-mark question: name the organ or the council of the United Nations which was suspended in the year 1994, and the answer is Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council, the main aim of this council is to promote advancement of the inhabitants of trust territories and their progressive development towards self-governance or independence. It was suspended in the year 1994 on 1st November with the independence of Palau, the last United Nations territory. So 1-mark question comes in this way: name the council which got suspended in the year 1994, and the answer is Trusteeship Council, and it was suspended on 1st November 1994. Now, Secretariat. The Secretary General is appointed by the Security Council on the recommendation of General Assembly for a period of 5 years. So the tenure of Secretary General is 5 years, and he is appointed by the Security Council on the recommendation of General Assembly. The duties of Secretary General include administering peacekeeping operations, mediating international disputes, surveying economic and social problems, to prepare studies on human rights and sustainable development of UN. So the first Secretary General, he was Trigli. He was the first Secretary General, and the tenure is from 1946 till 1952. You can see in your NCERT books on page number 87, the list of Secretary Generals were given according to their tenure. So the first one is Trygve Lie, and he is from Norway. Now at present, who is the Secretary General? Antonio Guterres. 1-mark question. Antonio Guterres is the present Secretary General. So it is your 1-mark question. So these are the organs of the UN. Now comes to the programs and funds. These are your 1 or 2 mark question. UNDP. The full form of UNDP is United Nations Development Program. It is basically United Nations Global Development Network. It is an organization advocating for change, connecting countries to knowledge, experience, and resources to help people build a better life. The second one is UNHCR. It is UN Refugee Agency. The role of UNHCR is to coordinate international actions to protect refugees and to resolve their problems worldwide. Another is UNICEF, United Nations Children's Emergency Fund. It promotes the right and well-being of every child. The organization works in 190 countries and territories, and their main aim is to translate that commitment into practical actions, focusing special effort on reaching the most vulnerable and excluded children to the benefit of the children everywhere. So UNICEF basically works for the rights and well-being of every children. These are the programs and funds of the UN. And let's continue. We will continue about other agencies in our next video. Thank you.